And if we hit 5,000 views in a week, they're going to give me a second radio to give it to another lucky winner. How cool is that? That's going to be so sick. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So excited.
Amateur radio and GMRS too.
Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from Amateur Radio and GMRS, and today we have the Radioddity DB20-G. This is for a giveaway. You must be part of the Project Longhaul Facebook page, and you must have a valid GMRS license to enter in for this giveaway. This is the only way you'll be able to get into it, is to be part of Project Longhaul, because Radioddity is sponsoring Project Longhaul. So let's do an unboxing. I'm very excited about this. Oh wow. Oh, it's so cute. Look how tiny. Look at the size of that radio. 20 watt GMRS. It's like so tiny. Oh my goodness. Microphone. Mic holder. Oh, it comes with the mount, screws, everything you need. And programming cable. Wow. Now that is great. Holy Christmas. To be eligible for this giveaway, you must be part of the Project Longhaul group on Facebook. That is where there's a special post. You're going to have to find it. There's a little work involved. That's the whole point of this, is that I want you to get a decent radio so you can communicate from either from your home or from your car and have a decent amount of power versus an HT, and you can be part of the Project Longhaul purpose. So this radio is up for grabs. I have enough radios. I do not need more radios. I'd rather give them away to you as a prize so everybody can get involved. This radio is only available if you are a Project Longhaul operator. It's the only way you can get in on this giveaway. You must be part of the Project Longhaul team. It's just, I'm very excited. I'm very, very excited. I can't wait to give this away. I would love to have a stack of them here and just keep giving radios away like non-stop. That would be so sick. If I was able to make a ton of money on Radioddity, there would be a stack of these things here. Or even the 40 watt, or even the 25 watt. That would be sick. These radios have incredible audio. Incredible, incredible audio. Shocking, actually, how good the audio actually is. You know what? We should test it so you actually can hear it. Let's do that. Check 1, 2, 3.
This is WQSY810 testing the Radioddity DB20-G for the Project Longhaul giveaway on Facebook, sponsored by Radioddity.
Radioddity is a sponsor of Amateur Radio and GMRS. They are a sponsor of this channel. So anyway, without further ado, let me show you what this thing could do. This is crazy. Watch this. There's no noise. There's no harmonics. That's it. Oh well, 1. So that would be 1, 2, the third harmonic. Look on the fundamental frequency. Everything is going out of the radio. I'm in super awe. Look at that. Look at that. That's insane. Oh my God. Let's do max hold. I'll show you on the screen. Look at that. That is what it's supposed to look like. Radioddity, you kick some major butt on this. That's insane. That is absolutely insane. Now you got to move this technology onto your HTs. It puts out about 16. I've taken a picture of that. I didn't have the way to do it, like I always do with the HGs. I have this big apparatus thing connected to it. But that's insane. That's awesome. Absolutely incredible. I'm at a loss for words. And this radio I'm giving away for free. It's actually this radio right here. This radio is what I'm giving away. It is insane. This thing works amazing. And if we hit 5,000 views in a week, they're going to give me a second radio to give it to another lucky winner. How cool is that? That's going to be so sick. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So excited that Radioddity is sponsoring Project Longhaul. So guys, if you like this video and you're going to be part of Project Longhaul, join the Facebook group. Get on that list so you can be part of Project Longhaul and get in on this free giveaway. 100% free, zero purchase necessary. Let's get this video to 5,000 views in a week so we can get a second radio to give away. I can't wait to see you on Facebook. Take care.
From New York clear out to Cali's golden sands, we're showing what the airwaves were made for with our hands. No repeaters, just a shout and a will that won't fall. That's the heart and soul of Project Longhaul.